Hi, today I'm going to explain how to export this figure to 300 dpi high resolution. Firstly, we need to select the, the figure like this and copy it and go back to home, tap and then select paste as a picture. Now as you see here, has convert to the picture. Now select right and save as a picture. I'm gonna save it in the desktop. Now let's open this file. As you see, this figure has transparent. To solve this problem, you need to download a Photoshop. I have a Photoshop already, so I'm gonna open it. I'm going to select open as and I select the figure file. Now as you see, select new layer, grab it down, so select the color and I'm going to select a pocket to fill the background color as a white. As you see now, I solved the problem. Now we need to convert this to 300 dpi. So first we need to select image size, and then you see as the resolution 120, so I'm going to change it to 300. Click OK. It needs a bit time to convert it. Now I'm going to save as JPG. F1. Make sure the quality image maximum. Okay. Now done. To confirm that, you need to check the properties, details, as you see here, 300 dpi. This is super high quality image figure. Thank you for watching.